We've already seen it. We know.
What is he doing?
We're
What is that doing?
Well, we'll see what they
What? Oh, look at the box.
bought something
What?
like that too. And
What
put
is
it over in
happening
front of
over
the
there?
show arena.
Yeah.
So when the sun doesn't shine in on
What?
it.
Okay.
Here they go, Lily.
What is happening?
It's okay.
Push it out and then.
Ready? Kind of.
Well, stop playing your game and watch it. Or you're going to take it.
I'm gonna watch it.
Better aim up higher.
Yeah.
You're aiming right to the backyard. You're aiming to the fence. There it goes.
What's going?
Let's hope so. Whoa. Wow.
Wow.
Woo. Wow.
I think I just fluid my acid fluids. Another blast?
Yep.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Oh.
That is high. That is high as heck. Oh, hell no. He's doing it again? Oh, crap. Here, bombs away.
Uh-oh. Ooh. Ah. Ooh. Yeah.
Ooh. Oh, my God. Oh, no. He's going to light again.
You can hear the stuff hit the roof of you.
Bombs away.
That one didn't go as high.
Holy Moses.
That one did not go as high.
That one went on the thing. Oh, he has 4 more left. Oh, no. Ooh, that's the sound of sizzling.
You gotta look up.
La 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 lava. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, no. Here comes another one. Bombs away. The last 2. Here we go, fans. Like and subscribe for the last 2. Bombs away.
Wow.
Wow, that was beautiful.